Audio Fungala on the south of the lodges there. Yeah. Yeah, copy that, thanks.
North of it do the access.
Kinde, can I maybe give you a hand?
Yeah, Dodo, make your way there.
Okay, thank you. Locks running on April Channel.
Taste a parasite, but because the parasites suck the buffalo's blood, and they actually eat blood. And in some instances, if there aren't enough parasites, they'll actually bite holes in the body of the buffalo and drink the blood directly. Well, this is a young male, so he's just showing off.
That one's better.
Can I get an update here, please?
Said the name, not changed.
Okay, Kovitia. They've been inquiring.
Fred can start making his way. Fred can copy.
Can I please get that 3S matcher? Thank you.
It is. They've been feeding.
Pretty sure if she was there, it would have, would make it out to the so now the price once again.
If the sun's going up or down.
2 days ago, so short down 5.
Yeah, I did that too. Just to... I haven't even been on lately, so I have to catch up on seeing. That is beautiful.
Yep. Yes, we are.
So which is the female?
The small one.
Smaller one.
Yeah. Not quite yet.
Can you see it's too small?
The one just here on the left, you can't see his head in there.
Not before lunch, the whole herd came down on the other side of the to the camp.
Yep.
They think must have touched the wire. Made a noise all of a sudden.
And it scream. Sometimes the babies.
Yeah, no, I've done him. I can put him on my today's list.
Playing with the camera.
This looks as though this water hole is fed a bit, is it?
Is
it like a trough going
It
down?
seems to be spinal cord and the skull left if they all come and feed again tonight. It's amazing they can finish off a carcass so quickly, and that reduces the spread of disease because the flies don't get a chance to lay their eggs and carry off disease with them. moves the whole carcass.
We'll have to sing the lines with those.
Ready, have you turned on to the two track yet? No, still coming up the cut line, just getting to double down.
So they'll be in and out. We heard them roaring last night. We normally only see them once every 4 or 5 days. But with this, chances are they'll come here. So either tomorrow morning. So we'll discuss as a group what our plan is for tomorrow. But we'll just a little WhatsApp. Have you those of you got iPhones?
Nature at its rawest, I guess.
Yeah, they really don't mind. Yeah, what? I just want to see what she's doing. Yeah, they really don't mind. They really do not mind.
It's not the tiny baby, it is a baby. It's an effort to get down there. Just spread the legs and bend the knees. And there's other things that are better to do with your day than... I'm not exactly sure in numbers. They are ruminants, so a lot less than other animals.
Giving him a nudge. We won't be going home in the same bus.
I'm not sure which channel is Neil and Dave. I think you will come. Alright, so we can look at 3 movers, but they quite spread out. Stay by.
Almost as big as she is already.
Ryan, come in. Zero dam. Are you south of the dam? Yeah, but more on the link road that goes halfway through.
She was showing signs of coming into estrus the other day. Go and do the same again with the pea. Pick up the pheromones in the urine there.
Full standby and gun on the bum and
Little
There
flame
we
in there.
go.
Right back on the left.
It's very, very full.
It's like he's got a grapefruit in there.
got your visuals there, right? There's a 2-track on the position again over open. Anything happening there, guys? You've been quiet for the last 10 minutes.
I don't know what's happening with the Misi Craig. I've got Chicago's Mantuan. She sounds like she's gone further into the bush. Dust is awesome.
Okay, I'm not to worry about me. I'll try in the morning.